So in this video we will see about for loop in Python. So I am typing a for loop for I in range of 0, 11, 1 colon. So I will explain this in a short. For actually will have a counter variable. So here the counter variable is I. After that, the syntax of for will continue like this: for counter variable in sequence. So that sequence, it may be a range function, maybe a string, maybe a collection data type. So here we are using a range function. A range function will have three parameters: start, stop and step. So like initialization, test condition and updation in C++ for loop, here we have range function with start, stop and step. So start, here I have given it as 0, and stop I have given it as 11, and step 1, and after that I have given a colon, so that I am defining it as a block, and in the next line I am giving print I, end equal to space, so that each print statement is separated by or ended by a space. Okay, now since the range starts from 0, so first 0 will be printed, and it will go and check with the step value. So here the step value is 1. So 0 plus 1 will be printed. Next it will check whether that range value is just 1 less than the stop. So here stop is 11. Actually this range will generate a sequence of values from 0 to stop minus 1. So stop, here it is 11, and stop minus 1 is 10. So it will generate values from 0 to 10 incremented by a step of 1. So now we will run and see the output. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the output, and now I am clearing the output and I am changing the step value to 2. When I run, I will get 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and step value, that is the increment value, is done in steps of 2. And now I am clearing and I am changing the step value to 3. So here step value, since it is changed to 3, the output comes like this: 0 plus 3 is 3, plus 3 6, and plus 3 9, and 9 plus 3, it will exceed the stop minus 1 value, so it is stopping with 9. Next, if I want to print the same range or series of values in reverse order, I am giving reversed function in front, so it is printing in reverse order. And now I am clearing the output and I am removing that reversed function. Instead, I am changing the start, stop, step values to 10, minus 1, minus 1. So this will start the series from 10 and end with the previous number of stop, that is 0, and each time it will decrement by 1 or by minus 1. Actually we have given the step value as minus 1, so each time it will decrement by 1. So the output will be 10, 9, 8 until 0. Sorry. So now I am giving else part. So like if statement with else part in Python, for loop can also have else part. That else part will be printed after the for loop is ended. So now when I run the output, that else part is printed like this. Thank you.